I am Luke Kanuchok. I am a lead software systems integration and test engineer. So as a defense software company, we have very strict needs of moral fiber, and the GCU graduates that we've had have really done a great job. They continue to work with excellence. I continue to engage with GCU, and I love going there and bringing our needs to them and looking at the students and see how they can come into our industry. But at the same time, PSG as a whole, we really like the students that we've gotten, and we'd love to get more. I have a unique position in that I've been part of the GCU system teaching there, and so I know what they're coming from. Because of that, I'm very confident that they will be a good blend for our community here, as well as the technical work and all the soft skills and everything they bring with them. We've had multiple accolades from our customers talking about our students. The hands-on work really allows students to take a bite of their own learning and to apply themselves. This prepares them well for the work that we do here because they can hit the ground running. We've been fortunate as a small business to retain most of our students. There's some that have grown past us and have hired on elsewhere, but the difference between GCU students that I've seen is that they've all excelled. They've done well. We really appreciate the mission-centered focus, and while the regular day-to-day exercise of their faith and their school is not something that you're going to see unless you're looking for it, it is foundationally there. And so in that regard, we've done very well with all of our GCU graduates, and we'd love to have double our current population of them.